Today is 10th June and you are watching Rising TV. This is your dose of AI stories. Let's find what's happening on the tech street. Let's dive in. MIT researchers have used game theory to make AI models like ChatGPT more accurate and reliable. These AI models often give different answers to the same question based on how it's asked. To fix this, the researchers developed a consensus game that makes the AI's different response methods agree on an answer. This approach, which pits the AI against itself in a game-like scenario, helps improve the model's internal consistency and overall accuracy. Apple is getting ready to talk about artificial intelligence, AI, at their upcoming developers conference. This is a big deal because Apple has been pretty quiet about AI until now. At the conference, they'll most likely share new developments and plans for how AI will be used in their products. This could mean new and better features on your iPhone, iPad, and other Apple gadgets. AI is all about teaching computers to do smart things, like recognizing your face in a photo or understanding what you say to Siri. So, when Apple starts talking about AI, it's a sign that they're going deeper into making their devices smarter and more helpful for users. It would be exciting for everyone to know what Apple has got. Big companies around the world are using big AI systems to save money. These systems are like super smart computers that can learn and make decisions. By using them, companies hope to reduce their expenses and work more efficiently. These AI models can do things like analyze data, predict trends, and even talk to customers. Companies see them as a way to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. They're becoming more popular because they can handle large amounts of information quickly and accurately. So, businesses are investing in these AI systems to streamline their operations and stay ahead in the game. Microsoft has made updates to Copilot, a feature that helps people write code more efficiently, and it has added a new feature for PC recall. Copilot now suggests better code snippets, making coding easier and faster. The PC recall feature allows you to send commands to your computer from a phone, helping you fix issues from anywhere. These updates aim to enhance user experience and productivity by providing smarter code suggestions and convenient control options for PCs. Overall, Microsoft is improving Copilot and adding useful features like PC recall to make coding and troubleshooting more seamless for users. The US government is getting ready to investigate Microsoft, OpenAI, and Nvidia for potential antitrust issues.